New lithium battery technology is an integral part of effective scaling and efficient use of new and existing material handling equipment. In this brief presentation, you will learn how an integrated power platform enabled with IoT technology can increase the efficiency of your equipment and personnel while meeting targets for green initiatives. After a brief introduction to our company, I will discuss some power trends for the material handling industry, including how green initiatives are factoring into decision-making, as well as how achieving a longer runtime and decreasing maintenance time is influencing the direction of the technology used to power forklifts, pallet jacks, and other warehouse equipment. Then I will review a summary of our product offerings, and I will discuss how the latest technology for charging and fleet management using IoT can be used to increase utilization, efficiency, equipment uptime. For over 30 years, GreenCube's technology has helped OEMs safely convert from lead-acid systems to the right lithium technologies for their operations. Among the many providers of lithium solutions, we stand apart for our precision-engineered conversions of hand tools, electric vehicles, hospital systems, and telecom towers. Our reputation and years in the business stand behind us to keep us innovating and driving ahead. We currently have more than 300 employees with worldwide locations and have designed over 100 power systems in the last decade. In addition to our power systems innovation, we are focused on utilization of remote monitoring and tracking to provide a solution not just across a system or site, but across entire organizations. GreenCubes designs and manufactures rechargeable lithium-ion battery solutions that are safe and accessible. Our solutions ease the migration away from lead-acid, internal combustion engines, and other older technologies. Our vision is to design platforms to help accelerate the adoption of clean energy mediums. In this introductory section of the presentation, I will discuss the state of power technology for material handling equipment and how they are adapting to address pain points with maintenance, increase runtime, and help organizations meet their green initiatives. There are two fundamental ways to power equipment, with a fuel-based system or an energy storage system. Roughly half of the material handling equipment in use today uses an internal combustion engine. Although these engines have high maintenance costs and there are sustainability and pollution concerns, their overall market share is not expected to change substantially because the alternate green fuel cell is still in relative infancy and has reliability problems. The real shift in the market is in batteries. Conversion from lead-acid batteries to lithium-ion is on the cusp of a serious change in adoption. Lead-acid is problematic. Although it has a low purchase price, it is used only for a single shift, requires regular water maintenance, and requires monthly reporting. It has environmental issues and workplace injuries are common. Lithium is valuable for multi-shift applications and long run times, fast charging, and it is environmentally friendly. Here is a list of the benefits of lithium. Longer cycle life enables a useful product life of up to 10 years. It accepts partial charges without degrading the battery life. It eliminates battery changes and maintenance and associated workplace injuries. There is a long runtime which can be tailored to utilization. It allows for faster charge times in about an hour with opportunity charging enabled. The electronics required for safety and communication enable remote monitoring for troubleshooting. There is also much better cold temperature performance, so this technology is especially relevant for the food and beverage industries. And in the end, there is even the potential to reduce the number of trucks required at a facility. For all of these reasons, industry analysts confirm that lithium is the way of the future for the material handling industry. Motive batteries grew from $2.1 billion in 2019 to $2.6 billion with by 2024 with a CAGR of only 4.6%. But motive lithium-ion batteries had 2.5% of the total motive market in 2019, but are expected to experience a 27% growth. We see internal combustion maintain its current market share over the next 10 years with a small gain for fuel cells. E-commerce and productivity improvements are driving the demand for lithium-ion batteries. Now let's take a quick look at our line of SAFEFlex batteries with fast charging, multi-voltage technology, and IoT for fleet management. We offer more than 200 battery models for the material handling equipment market, including the smaller Class 3 electric motor or hand rider trucks, Class 2 electric narrow aisle trucks, and Class 1 electric motor rider trucks for indoor use. We have a variety of communication protocols, charger models, sizes, and harnesses, and new models can be produced in about 12 weeks. We offer a variety of standard battery configurations with 24, 36, 48 volt, and higher models. The four shown here are just a few examples of our batteries. Some, as in the one in the upper left, come with an integrated charger and the option of heaters and refrigerated applications. The advantages of GreenCube's technology is that it can be broken into two groups. Operator features for a positive user experience include being fully integrated across all classes, side port charging, and connector options. And then our technical design for a robust solution including integrated heaters, integrated chargers, fast, efficient approval for new designs, and a design to operate in dust and spray with an IP rating of up to 55. The low charge times enabled by lithium-ion are one of its chief advantages, enabling opportunity charging during natural breaks and work shifts. Our multi-voltage technology enhances this feature by double, supporting 2848, 3672, and 4896 combinations where the battery is charged at the higher voltage and discharges at the lower. This patent-pending technology operates with a single cable which delivers cost efficiencies and minimizes the chance of cable damage. Our newest technology, set to launch in the fall, takes opportunity charging to a whole new level, charging wirelessly and fully eliminating the need to plug in the battery. This requires less maintenance and better utilization of operator time. In our testing, power transfer was 93% efficient with a 3-inch air gap in between the transmitter and receiver, and forklift operators were able to achieve just 1-inch misalignment, and the battery was fully charged in about an hour and 10 minutes. The Internet of Things, or IoT, allows for remote monitoring of batteries via Wi-Fi. This can be used to right-size the batteries for optimization of CapEx expenditures, and real-time fleet management can reduce OpEx expenditures as well. Let's take a quick look at how return on investment for this technology can be measured and quantified. Everything from the batteries themselves to the charging rooms can be right-sized. You can eliminate battery handling rooms, ventilation accommodations, eyewash stations, and safety gear. You can relocate battery handling rooms to become a staging area. 1-hour charge time eliminates the need for battery changes and no equilibration charges for an increase in productivity and lower cost of operation by about 30%. Lithium battery charging is 98% efficient versus 80% efficiency with lead-acid batteries, lowering electrical utility costs for charging by 20%. There's improved safety conditions for associates, eliminating battery changes and contact with battery electrolyte due to sealed maintenance-free batteries with no watering. There's improved environmental conditions, improved asset utilization, and finally, there are lower truck maintenance costs. And uniform power delivery extends the motor life and reduces motor maintenance. Presented here is an example of the ROI analysis that Green Cubes has performed with one of our customers. When we engage with a new customer, we can provide this ROI analysis to demonstrate the CapEx and OpEx advantages of adopting our lithium-ion battery solutions. After the customer has completed their trial or evaluation, we revise the ROI calculations based on their experience to confirm that our solution has delivered on the promised benefits. The net benefit is that our lithium-ion solution, in this case, provides a 2.8 million CapEx and OpEx savings over propane and a $4.2 million savings over lead-acid solutions. And for companies that have green initiatives underway, the propane and lead-acid solutions generate an incremental 8 to 11 tons of CO2 emissions over the 5-year period. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to your questions and further engagement.